What's going on, everybody? Evan again here from Evan's Detailing and Polishing. As you can see in front of me, we got a set of specialty forged wheels. I get a lot of people sliding in my DMs all the time asking how to maintain these things. They're not looking to cut and polish them themselves, they just want to maintain them. What we're going to do today is we're going to show you something new. We've decided to partner with Specialty Forge on a co-branded bottle of the Rebel Red to help them maintain their wheels. Alright, so as you can see here, we've got some white spotting and some light scratches. Of course, we're not going to be able to take the light scratches out. That's something that we need to do in a high-speed buff. But what we're trying to do here is we're trying to get rid of this white spotting and get rid of the fogginess and the haze. So what we're going to do here is a set of Specialty Forge. What I've got is their Rebel Red, a microfiber applicator pad, and this is a red cotton terry cloth by Renegade as well. I'm going to keep preaching the cotton terry cloth. Cotton terry cloth will reduce the amount of scratches. Anytime you're using microfiber to take the initial wipe off, you might leave extra scratches. So we'll save the microfiber for the end to wipe off the last little bit, but we want to focus on the cotton terry cloth towel first. I say that in all my polishing videos. Just want everybody to know we're going to do the same thing here again. Always shake it up really good, get it good and mixed. Once we got it shook up real good, all we're going to do is put a little bit in our wax applicator pad and we're going to start working it into the wheels. Like I said, this is just for general maintenance. These wheels are in pretty decent shape to begin with, but all we're looking to do is just maintain. So all I'm going to do is just sit and work this in, just like our regular Rebel Red. Just going to work it in until it starts turning a little black, start to build up some haze. If you can see the metal starting to turn black like this, that's what I'm looking for. Once I have that, put a little more on it. I'm gonna do the other side of the wheel. I'm not scrubbing crazy hard. I'm just wiping on, keeping even pressure. When doing the spokes, I try to go in straight lines. I try not to go in swirls. Swirls tend to leave swirls. If you go in straight lines, it goes with the mill lines and usually leaves a real nice finish. Just kind of working in between the lug nuts here. Doing the same thing, I'm just rubbing until I start seeing it turn black. That's really all we're looking for. When you're doing your fine details for like your shows and stuff like that, you're gonna do inside these holes as well. Anytime you're maintaining your stuff, you always want to make sure you get all the polished surfaces covered. Now I'm just going to take this cotton terry cloth towel and I'm just going to start wiping it off. I'm not looking to wipe it all off. I'm just trying to thin it out and just continue the working in process and agitation. Because once I get it thinned out, I want it to start flashing. Flashing is when the product starts to dry out a little bit. It helps it wipe off. See how it's starting to dry off? It's starting to wipe up real nice. That's what I'm looking for. Once again, it's not going to take it all off, but this cotton terry cloth is going to take the majority of it off. And once we get a good majority of it off, we're going to come back with a microfiber towel and wipe off what's left. But I'm just going to continue to wipe off all this here. Spoke, same thing, wiping straight lines. So now that I got the good majority of it wiped out, I'm going to wipe out a little bit in these holes here. But now that we got the majority wiped off, I'm going to grab a microfiber towel and just give it a final wipe. Just to take the last little bit of residue off and give us the nice shine we're looking for. As you can see, now that it's dried up, it doesn't take much at all to just give it a final wipe. All I'm doing is just cleaning up that last little bit that the cotton terry cloth left behind. And now remember, these are forged wheels. These are not chrome wheels. Chrome wheels, you could do the same process, just using a different product. But on the polished aluminum wheels like this is the process I recommend, and definitely the easiest way to maintain your specialty forged wheels. And there you have it. All that oxidation and the hazing's gone. We still got some of the minor scratches that were there. I was there before we started. That stuff you'd have to get rid of by using a high-speed buffer. If you watch our other video on YouTube, you'll see exactly how to do that. But just for a maintenance, specialty forge version of Rebel Red, a microfiber applicator pad, and a cotton terry cloth towel is all you'll need. Microfiber towel is optional for the end, but it will help. Hope you guys find this video informational. Check out more of our YouTube how-to videos. And of course, check out specialtyforge.com.